Hello guys, and welcome to this video where we're looking at the features of C++. Now C++ is a powerful high performance programming language widely used for software development, particularly for system programming, game development, real-time systems, and applications that require high performance computations. Now why? Because C++ um, can manipulate hardware, right? Which means that we can use C++ to manipulate, to write programs that controls the hardware. Now, C++ is an extension of the C programming language, which means that C programs can effectively run in C++ environment, but the reverse is not true. Now, C++ support object-oriented concepts, which means that concepts such as encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphisms, we can do that in C++. This enables developers to create software with reusable and maintainable code structure. C++ is portable, which means that we can write on one platform and deploy in other platforms, right? With little or no modification. Now, it's a high performance programming language, like I've said. Now, C++ also support templating, right? Which is very good. So it allows us to structure our functions and classes with any data type, right? So C++ also support it has a standard library. Now with this standard library, for example, if I import the algorithm library, right, I can simply use functions that have been predefined, like a search algorithms that have been predefined, like the sort algorithm, the search algorithm, right. It also have vectors and maps, so and which makes it very powerful and for templating. Now C++ also is good for error handling, right? So it enables developers to write robust applications that can handle errors effectively without crashing. Now let's look at some of the areas of applications of C++, like I've mentioned before. C++ is used in system development. That is the first thing that I mentioned, right? So many operating systems, like you have the Windows operating system, the Linux operating systems, are written in C++ because of its ability to interact with hardware components. We can use C++ in game development, right? So games such as video games such as Call of Duty, the Watcher 3 are developed in C++. Now other real-time applications are also developed in C++, 3D games and simulations are done in C++. C++ is used to build embedded systems. C++ is used to write device drivers, right? So other applications such as Adobe Photoshop, Microsoft Office, these applications run on C++. Now, we also have financial applications, right? Business applications, also banking systems run on C++, right? So, web browsers also such as Chrome, Firefox are written in C++. Now, this is very important because we see that basically C++ is available in everything that we do, in networking, in database, and also in machine learning. Libraries such as TensorFlow, PyTorch are all written. They are key components of that are written in C++. Now I'm going to talk about some advantages of using C++, right? We've talked about its efficiency and performance, right? Its speed, right? So if you need applications that need high performance, then we'll go for C++. C++ with it object oriented features helps in creating codes that are easy to maintain, easy to reuse. C++ is portable, right? So it's very good. It's a portable language, and also So if you look carefully, you see that C++ is a very powerful programming language that I encourage each and everyone to embrace C++, right? So in the next video, we're going to be looking at how to install C++, and also we'll write the Hello World program in C++. So see you in our next video.